Hello, my name is Apiwachi Palaksapan. Today I would like to present relate research with my senior project that consists of 1. Influence of aging treatment on mechanical property of 6061 aluminum alloy. 2. Surface grain structure evolution in hot rolling on 6061 aluminum alloy. 3. Effect of pre-aging treatment on microstructure and mechanical property of hot compressed magnesium 9 aluminum and zinc alloy. 4. Secondary precipitation in an aluminum magnesium silicon and copper alloy. And 5. The effect of aging on mechanability of 6061 aluminum alloy. Let's start at 1. 1. Influence of aging treatment on mechanical property of 6061 aluminum alloy. Aluminum magnesium silicon alloy show medium strength, excellent formability, good corrosion resistance, and are widely used in extrude process and automotive body panel. The major advantage of this alloy is their aid hardening response during the paint backing process, as well as the fact that they exhibit on-hue point phenomenon and leading. In this study, the mechanical property of commercial available aluminum 6061 alloy A2 level were studied. Peak 8 condition were reached in this particular alloy after A2H is heat treatment at 200 Celsius degree. The variation of this yield strength, ultimate tensile strength, ductility, and strain hardening rate with aging time is measured and discussed in relation to the microstructural change induced by the heat treatment. 2. Surface grain structure evolution in hot rolling of 6061 aluminum alloy. During hot deformation of aluminum magnesium alloy, a non-uniform microstructure is developed due to difference in localized strain. Physical simulations were performed to examine the effect of processing parameters such as deformation temperature, total reduction, rolling, schedule, and alloy addition on the grain structure evolution. Overall, the kinetic of recrystallization followed the traditional trend predicted by JMAK kinetic. Electron basket difference EBSD was used to quantify the difference in recrystallization kinetic at the simple surface and mid thickness. The results show that the surface showed elevated kinetic when compared to the simple mid thickness. 3. Effect of pre-aging treatment on microstructure and mechanical property of hot compressed magnesium aluminum zinc alloy. Hot compression tests were performed on the S-cast and H magnesium aluminum zinc or AZ91 alloy specimen at temperature of 300 Celsius degree. Investigate influence of pre-aging treatment on microstructure and mechanical property of the hot compressed AZ91 alloy. The results show that the pre-aging treatment can be effective in increase the precipitation number of magnesium 17 aluminum 12 phase and enlarging the discontinuous precipitation area, in which the dynamic recrystallization occurs with discontinuous precipitation. Painting at the newly grain boundary, leading the RDX ratio and basal slip such my factor of the compressed specimen being increased both the ultimate tensile strength and elongation of failure and higher in the edge compressed specimen. After compression at 300 Celsius degree and a strain rate of 0.2 S/1 with compression ratio of 50% UTS of a edge compressed specimen in 44 megapascal, higher than that of cast compressed specimen. An elongation of failure of the edge compressed specimen is there time as that of cast compressed specimen. For secondary precipitation in aluminum, magnesium, silicon, and copper alloy. Interruption of conventional T6 heat treatment at 177 Celsius degree for the aluminum, magnesium, silicon, and copper alloy 6061. After a short period of time, 20 minutes, by inserting a dwell period at a lower temperature, promote secondary precipitation of greener piston or GP zone. As a consequence, a much greater number of precursors to the beta precipitation of produced so that a thinner and denser dispersion of this phase is formed when T6 aging is resumed. This change in microstructure caused significant and simultaneous improvement in tensile property and fracture toughness. Secondary precipitation of GP zone occurs through a gradual evolution of a large number of magnesium, silicon, or copper vacancy co-clusters formed during the initial aging at 177 Celsius degree. This precise mechanism of secondary precipitation has been relieved by three-dimension atom probe microscopy supplemented by transmission electron microscopy and differential scanning calorimeter. And 5. The effect of aging on mechanability of 6061 aluminum alloy. In this study, the effect of artificial aging on the mechanability of 6061 aluminum alloy was investigated for the as received solution heat treat and solution heat treated and then age condition. The experimental work has revealed the difference aging time at 180 Celsius degree and the cutting speed significantly affected the machine surface roughness value. However, cutting force were not influenced significantly by aging and cutting speed except for SHT workspace having the lower hardness. Thank you.